Hi guys, so I'm at the YouTube Space Girl Love event. Oh my god, the shadow studio. So I'm here. Everything looks amazing. Say hi, Devina. Hi. Everything is so nice. I'm so excited to be here, and I'm very nervous to speak, but I hope that everything goes well. I'm actually so excited. Look at this. So amazing. Say hi. Hi! Okay, so people are starting to come in now. This is Hannah. You guys know her. We collabed. This is Monica. You guys know her as well. And this is Aru. Everyone follows Desi Standard Time. Everyone's going to come at like 5:30, 45, whatever. So we're going to start soon. My speech is in the beginning and I'm nervous, but hopefully it's going to
Okay, she's going to do that.
Listen, I'm going to... You guys, I'm going to be looking at your faces.
Okay, no
so
problem.
please
For
like
sure.
have... Right?
She's going to do...
One of the biggest inspirations I know, a female inspiration that I know who is on YouTube is Superwoman, right? A lot of you guys, hands up if you admire and you have been inspired by Superwoman at one point in your life, right? And because of her, this event is happening. We have partnered up with Girl Love. So we're gonna have Beverly here, who has a channel called Beverly D. We want to encourage more and more female creators to come onto YouTube. We want to encourage you and inspire you. That message for you, it's from a creator who's far, far away. And she wants to say something to you guys.
What up, creators of Mumbai? It's your girl,
Superwoman. Now, I'm sorry that I couldn't be there today. I mean, like, I'm here through the screen, but I can't, like, come out of the screen, like, to be there. So it is my pleasure to introduce you to one of my friends and one of your fellow creators, Beverly D. And she can tell you all the amazing ways that we can spread a little girl love and, in turn, change the entire world. Beverly, take it away, girl. Boom!
Hi guys, I'm low-key dying because that just happened. When Devina asked me to do this speech, I was so honored because Girl Love is something that means so much to me and it's such a special cause. So I'm just going to take a few minutes to talk about some of the things that Girl Love has achieved. So Girl Love was born on December 28th, 2015, which is close to a year since then. And it started when Lily Singh, she uploaded a video called the Girl Love Challenge on her channel, where she basically invited female creators and women from the industry to talk about what girl love means to them and talk about some of the women that they admire in their life. Now, the main objective of doing this video was to highlight that girl-on-girl hate exists, whether it's in media, whether it's in our lives, and what's important is to support one another and be nice to one another. And the earnings from this video, plus some money that Lily put in, was donated to the Malala Fund, which, as we all know, supports the education of women. Now, since Girl Love, this has emerged into a massive movement, and I don't mean massive just in terms of Lily's enormous fan base, but also in terms of the fact that the movement has touched so many people's lives across the world, from tweets and posts on social media where girls and guys spread girl love to women, to schools and colleges actually having talks about girl love. This movement has truly made such a positive impact in the world. Girl Love has its own social handles now, at Spread Girl Love on Insta and Twitter, and uplifting inspirational content is constantly pumped throughout the week. This year, Lily also released her very own Girl Love video series, in which she has female creators and women from the industry to come and do skits, challenges, and interviews. While the series is super entertaining to watch, it also shows that two women can be friends and two women can work together, as opposed to what the media portrays, where they're constantly pitted against each other, and that's completely not what Girl Love is about. I think one of the biggest achievements that Girl Love has seen in the past year is providing education and employment to women in Kenya. Now, in association with Me2We, which is an organization that does lots of amazing things for great causes, Lily and Kyle Coons, who is the brand manager of Girl Love, they went to Kenya this September for an outreach program. Now, in Kenya, there is this group of women called the Mamas, and they make jewelry, which is sold online via Me2We. So what Lily did was, she created her own design of the Girl Love Rafiki bracelet, which is like the one I'm wearing right now. She went to Kenya, made some of these bracelets with these women, and they were sold worldwide starting on her birthday. What's amazing about the bracelets is that it not only provides employment to the women who make them, but it also helps them send their girls to school, which is a big deal in Kenya. Also, all the proceeds from the purchase of these bracelets it goes towards the education of women. When the bracelets went on sale, the initial goal was to hit 1,500 bracelets. Right now, the last time I checked, over 30,000 bracelets have been sold worldwide, which just shows the impact that Girl Love has made in the world and how many people support it. If you guys want to get a bracelet of your own, you can go to we.org/girllove. I'm sure Devina can tweet it out later. Another amazing achievement that Girl Love has, and the list goes on to be honest, but another one is how Girl Love and the movement has inspired the youth and teens around the world to practice it in their daily lives. Because it's important not just preach it, but to also practice it. So one such event that Lily spoke at, where she preached Girl Love, was in Singapore. The event was called It's a Girl Thing. And here Lily defined the 3 rules of Girl Love, which is strangers are sisters, support other women, and turn jealousy into compliments. Now, to summarize this philosophy, what it basically means is that as women, we all have our own stories, our own paths, and we're so unique. But at the same time, we go through the same things. We're kind of sisters in a way, so why not support each other and why not be nice to each other? Speaking of which, complimenting other women in general is an amazing thing, right? But doing so when those feelings of jealousy crop up is even more amazing. Trust me, I've tried this rule myself a lot of times and it's made me feel a lot better. It's so liberating to convert a negative thought in your head to something positive. And like Lily says, don't get bitter, get better. Okay, so yeah, these are some of the things that Girl Love has achieved in less than a year, and I have so much respect and appreciation for Lily because not just as a fan, but also as a fellow human being and a female creator, because what she's done is taken a very simple observation about a really sad truth, which is girl on girl hate, and she's converted it into this beast of a movement that is truly changing the world. Also, huge shout outs to Kyle, who, like I said, is the brand manager of Girl Love. He works so passionately and so hard for this cause from what we've seen in vlogs and videos, and I'm sure he does so much more behind the scenes. He, as a male, is working so hard towards women empowerment. He should have been the president of the United States, to be honest. Yeah, Kyle for president hashtag. Now I'd like to end this speech with a little analogy. I'm sure you guys have seen the movie Mean Girls, the first one. So Regina George is the main bully in that film, as you all know, and she personally victimizes a lot of girls and guys in her school. What I feel is that she, first of all, is the exact opposite of what Girl Love stands for. And I think as women, deep down, we have a very mild version of Regina George living inside of us. Because let's be honest, we've talked behind other women's backs, we've judged them, we've been cold to them. But what's important is to A, acknowledge and admit that we do that. And second of all, make genuine efforts to give that super negative voice in our head a personality makeover. And trust me, Girl Love can only begin with a simple change in thought process. It all starts in the mind. Imagine the kind of impact we all could make if we treated women in a much more positive way. Like Lily says, we're all in this together, so say goodbye hate and hello Girl Love. Thank you.
Beverly, thank you so much. That was really awesome, and I hope the special message that Lily sent out for you meant a lot to you as well. I just saw her face, she was just like, I thought she was gonna cry.
I just did the speech. It was great. I'll tell you guys about it later. It was amazing. This is, Kanak.
Hey guys,
Her
this
channel
is Kanak
name-
from
yeah.
Kanak's Kitchen.
Yeah. So basically what we have to do here is we have to pick a name, like a random name from a fishbowl, and go and talk to them and, you know, get to know each other. She was on the first season of MasterChef India. My mind was blown away when I came to know of that. And she has a channel called Kanak's Kitchen. So I'll put the link in the description, so check her out. And here's everyone. Say hi everyone.
She did an amazing job.
Oh.
I cannot even stress how wonderful she was.
Thank you.
Also, the way Lily said.
No, not now. Not now. You guys will not hit. So I've been a fail at vlogging. I have not been doing my job. But the event is almost over, but we've been having so much fun. Astha's here after a very long time.
Yes.
This loser is here. Hashtag boy love, hashtag boy. Monica, you already saw Monica. She's busy eating. Yeah. We just did the mannequin challenge, so that was so much fun.
That Girl Love can change the world and that women should empower women. Thank you so much once again. One Love Superwoman, that is a wrap, and Zoop also. Didn't Beverly do such a good job? Come on. claps and snaps for Beverly. And for you.
Lily was so sweet to have done that. I'm still dying over it. We had a lot of fun. A lot of people didn't turn up, but still it was amazing. So we're gonna leave now. And what do I say? What did you guys think of the event?
It was the best ever. Now can I say? Yeah.
Say what? Yeah, because I showed the clips.
Lily's message was amazing. First of all, every time she said Beverly, we all died.
We all died.
We all basically died. Beverly though was dying.
I feel like I'm still dreaming. I think because I think it's because I have vodka in my system. That's probably why.
Lily did a great job in just hiding the fact that she had two messages for everyone and Beverly, of course. And secondly, Beverly did a great job, man. The way she talked about girl love, amazing. Also, I love this girl because she's dedicated. That's about it.
And I don't
Just
have
kidding,
any
just kidding.
reason to love her. I just love her.
Why won't you love Beverly?
Yeah.
That's the
Okay,
thing.
How can you not?
Stop. Okay, bye.
Gonna be okay. Hey, I'm not giving up today. There's nothing getting in my way.